Yo, what do you do? It's your boy SPACETATUM Space Tatum. And as you see, as you clicked, we will be going over SSO, which is short for single sign-on. And I bet you're wondering, like, what is single sign-on? Single sign-on is the authentication process that allows a user to access multiple applications only using one set of login credentials. Now let's go ahead and go to the slide so I can tell you a little bit more about single sign-on. Let's go. Yo, welcome to the slide. So as you see, we are going over SSO. So as you remember, I was telling you what SSO is, but I have a broader definition of it. So let's go ahead and go over it. SSO stands for single sign-on. It is the authentication process that allows a user to access multiple applications or services with a single set of login credentials, such as a username or password or an email and a password. This means that after logging in once, the user can access different systems or services without needing to log in again for each one. So let's go ahead and go to the next slide. So we have 5 key points about SSO. The first one is user convenience. The second one is improved security. The third one is centralized management. The fourth is integration. And the fifth is reduce help desk cost. So on this slide, we have 2 common protocols for SSO. The first one, which is SAML, which is short for System Assertion Markup Language, which is an XML based, which is an open standard for exchanging identity information between services. It is commonly found in the work environment. Always remember that. Which is the second one for OIDC, which is short for Open ID Connect. And this is whenever you use your personal Google account. So basically, it's like whenever you sign into Google. And that uses JSON Web Token to share the identity information between the services. Yo, I see you made it to this portion of the video. I'm so glad that you're here and watching. Let me tell you a little summary about SSO. SSO is the method to streamline the authentication process, enhancing user convenience and security while simplifying management for IT departments. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will really mean a lot. Thanks for tuning in the video with me, SPACETATUM Space Tatum.